Everyone, please welcome Eli to our class. He seems a little shy. Let's be extra friendly then. Eli, you can sit right there, next to Mia. Hi, I'm Mia. Welcome to our class. Thanks, I'm Eli. Where did you move from? Not too far away, a different town. This sandwich is my favorite kind today. I have extra crackers if anyone wants some. Eli, where's your lunch? Oh, I'm not very hungry today. That's the third day in a row. He never brings anything to eat. I wonder if something's wrong. I always pack too much anyway. Want half? That's okay, really, I'm fine. Are you sure? It's just extra. I'm okay, Mia. Thank you, though. He does that every single day. I tried to share my lunch, but he said no. Maybe he doesn't want anyone to know something. I think we should tell Mrs. Bennett. Mrs. Bennett, can we talk to you about something? Of course. What's on your mind? It's about Eli. He never brings lunch. Thank you both for telling me. I'll look into it gently. Notice. Care. Kind. Notice. Care. Kind. That's how we should always be. Mia and Jordan were right to notice. I need to speak with his mother, carefully. Some families just need a little support. I'll get groceries after my shift today. I hope Eli isn't too hungry at school. Just a little longer until payday. I don't want anyone to feel sorry for us. Mom works so hard already. I can just wait until dinner. It's fine. Hello, Miss Torres. This is Eli's teacher. I just wanted to check in, no concerns at all. We have a wonderful school lunch program that many families use. There's absolutely no shame in that, I promise you. Thank you. Thank you for calling. I didn't want to ask for help. It's just been a difficult few months. He can start the lunch program tomorrow.
I'll make sure his tray looks just like everyone else's.
That's exactly what I hoped for, thank you.
No child should feel different at lunchtime.
Here you go, dear. Enjoy your lunch. Thank you very much. Look, he has a tray today. I'm so glad. Let's not make it a big deal. Did you finish the math homework yet? Almost. It was pretty tricky. I can help you with the last few problems. That would be great, thanks. I have an idea to help Eli's family more. What did you have in mind? What if our families brought them a welcome basket? That's a really thoughtful idea, Priya. We want to help, but not make Eli feel embarrassed. That's very wise thinking, all of you. What if we say it's a welcome to the neighborhood gift? I think that's a lovely, gentle way to do it. Gentle, respect, help. Gentle, respect, help. That's the best way to give. I think the basket looks wonderful already. My mom added some of her homemade bread too. Let's write a nice, simple note for them. Welcome to the neighborhood from your new friends. This is such a sweet idea the kids had.
We should make this a tradition for new families.
I agree completely. Kindness should be consistent. Let's talk to the school about starting something official. Ready? Let's knock together. I hope they like it. I think they really will. Okay, here we go. Oh, hello, can I help you? We wanted to welcome you to the neighborhood. This is from all of us and our families. We're really glad Eli joined our class. What are you all doing here? We wanted to welcome your family properly. This means a lot to me. Thank you. That's what friends are for, Eli.
This is so incredibly kind of you all. You have no idea how much this means. We're just happy to have Eli as our friend.
Thank you, truly, from the bottom of my heart.
Please, come in for just a moment.
Your home is really cozy. I've never had friends over here before. Well, now you have 3 at once.
This is the best lunch table in the whole school.
I agree completely. We should all sit together every day.
I think that's already exactly what we're doing. The whole school has embraced this idea.
3 children started something truly wonderful.
Every new family will feel welcome from now on.
That's the kind of school I'm proud to work at.
Yes, Eli, go ahead. I think the answer is 24. That's exactly right. Well done.
He's really settling in now. This is the most fun I've had in weeks! We're so glad you moved here, Eli. Race you to the swings! Last one there is a rotten egg!
Things are looking up a little. Eli seems so much happier lately. This neighborhood really took us in.
Mrs. Bennett, I have an idea for the new welcome program.
I'd love to hear it, Eli.
I want to help welcome the next new student myself.
I think that's a beautiful idea. Everyone, this is Ruby, our newest student.
I remember exactly how that feels. Ruby, you can sit with us at lunch today. Thank you. That's really kind of you.
It's okay to feel a little nervous at first. It's a lot of new faces at once.
We're really easy to get to know, I promise. Thank you all for this.
Welcome.
Friend.
Belong.
Welcome. Friend. Belong. I already feel all 3.
I want to add something extra special this time. What did you have in mind, Eli? A drawing, just like the one that made me feel welcome. That's a wonderful, thoughtful touch.
I know exactly how much this will mean to them.
You're a natural at this now, Eli.
I learned from the best.
Let's go make Ruby's family feel at home.
This is such a warm welcome.
You all did this just for us?
Someone did the same for me not long ago. Thank you, truly, all of you. This class has such big hearts. Kindness really does spread, one person at a time. I'm so proud of every one of them.
Moving here was scary at first, but I found a whole new home and new friends. I hope I can be that kind of friend to someone else too.
Tell me about your day, sweetheart.
We welcomed a new student today, Ruby.
That's wonderful. You've become quite the welcomer.
I learned from a really great teacher, Mom.
Everyone say friends!
Friends!
Best class ever. I couldn't agree more.